Hello, welcome to my channel today. This is the King Tutor. It's the first time of joining us. Thank you for joining us. Ensure you like, comment, share, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Thank you for your support. Thank you, and may God bless you. Now, today we want to see a question that relates to public sector accounting. Okay, that has to do with the receipts and payment. And the question said, local government prepared its receipts and payment account from the following. Now, fines 20,000 left, market rates 120,000, salaries 60,000, maintenance of vehicle 49,000, park collections 100,000. Now they're asking us the balance at the end of the period is dash. What's the balance? Now the next one, next question said the total expenditure for the period is this. Now let's prepare the receipt and payment account so that we can get this question. Now, if you want to see a question, a receipt and payment account, we have done the full video. Check in my description or check up here. You are going to see it. Okay. Now, let's prepare this. Now, the receipt and payment. Receipt and payment account of local government. Okay, so the debit side is the receipt while the credit side is the payment. So now we're going to identify what they are receiving as income and what they are paying. Now, fines. Fine is a receipt. Fines is what they are receiving. Okay, that's one of the source of income of the government. Now, another one is market rate. Market rate is another income of the government. Market rate. How much is it? 120. Another one is salary. Now, salary is an expenses to them. It's a payment. It's the payment they are making. The payments they are making. So salaries is 60,000. They have to pay the staff. Now another one, maintenance of vehicle is a payment. So you can write maintenance here. They are maintaining the vehicle, so they have to pay. It's 49,000. Then park collection. In the park, they have to collect fees. It's an income to them. So park collection is 100,000. Park collection is 100,000. Okay, so we are going to get the filter. So in this now, so for this now, let's get the balance. So the debit side will give us 120 plus this is 220 plus 20 is 240,000. Why this 60 plus 49 is 109 minus this is supposed to be 240,000. So the balance carried down. 240,000 minus 109 will give us 131,000. Okay, so they said the balance at the end of the period is 131,000. So C is the answer, 131,000, which is this 131. Then the second question, they said the total expenditure for the period is dash. The total expenditure for the period is dash. Now, what they're asking in this question, now they say the total expenditure for the period is, now they are requesting that we add these two, okay, which is 60 plus 49. That is 60,000 plus 49,000. That is 109,000. So the total expenditure for the period is 109,000, which is D. So that is the question. So that's how to solve this question. Now wait, there's a full video on receipt and payment account. where we treated it in detail and we solve a practical question. If you have not seen that video, watch it now. This video here, watch it. This video, watch it, okay? Ensure you subscribe, like, and share. Watch this video. Don't go nowhere. Watch it. Thank you.